Visit. Yeah, hi. Hi. Yeah, kalame. Kanina tani. Ano ba open?
Okay, the box is pretty simple. You get the headphone, Bluetooth headphone, the charger. I don't know, but they always use this orange charger. It's a micro USB. And then there's the audio connector, the auxiliary connector, 3.5mm. The audio connector is kind of long, so it's okay if you are going to put your device on a certain distance. Well, let's check the headphone first. It's kinda quite heavy, but it's smooth, but I'm afraid to flex it over. It's made of plastic, and the reason why I purchased this is because of the 3.5mm input, so I can still use the headphone even if I run out of juice. I was actually considering buying between the 400BT and the 500BT. They're in the same range, but the difference is the size of the earmuffs. Obviously, the 400BT has an in-ear earmuff, so it's kind of small than its 500BT counterpart. Since my purpose is to have a travel headphone, I kinda avoid earphone because I had an ear infection before, so I chose the 400BT since it has a smaller ear cups. The battery life is really good. It lasts like a day or two, depending on the number of hours you use it. And I just kind of find out that the longer you use the headphone, like straight 3 to 4 hours, it will really hurt your ear. So another thing is that the cover of the earmuffs are already peeled off. This is normal for headphones that are made from leather, like this. I also have the same issue with my Logitech G Pro X gaming headphone. But I found out that there are stores selling in Shopee and Lazada. They're selling earmuff protector, so that might help.